In this video, we will see how to edit signer details after sending the signature request. Click on the Waiting for Others section in the navigation bar. Click on the three dots to open the Actions menu and select Edit. Here, you can add, delete, or edit signers and CC recipients. It's not possible to edit the details of that signer who have already signed the document. You also have the option to add, edit, or delete messages for signers, enable or disable two-factor authentication, and manage attachments. The ability to modify the signing order or add and replace documents is currently not available. If these features are necessary for you, please contact support for assistance. Once you've made the necessary changes, click Next to proceed with editing fields. If you've replaced a signer, their fields will be transferred to the new signer. You can also assign fields to new signers or add, delete, modify fields of the existing signers. Click on the Review and Send button in the top right corner to proceed with reviewing and sending the document. A confirmation screen will appear for you to review all the changes made to the request. Click Send when you are ready to proceed. If you add a new signer, they will get a notification to sign the document, while a removed signer will be notified that the signature request has been cancelled. Changes to signer information are captured in the audit trail certificate to preserve the document's authenticity and change history.